How to add clickable link in Instagram Reels. Today, we're diving into a question that's been popping up a lot lately. Can you add a link to an Instagram Reel? The short answer is, unfortunately, no. Instagram doesn't currently support adding clickable links directly to your Reels. But don't worry, we've got some workarounds that'll help you out. First up, you can add a link to your Instagram bio. Here's how you do it. After creating and sharing your Reel, go to your Instagram profile. Tap the Edit Profile button. Scroll down to the bio section and tap on it. Now, paste the link you want to share into the bio text box. Tap Done to save your changes. In the caption of your Reel, just tell your viewers to click on the link in your bio to find out more. Another workaround is to add a link sticker to your Instagram story. Here's how. Open Instagram and start creating a new story. Add your Reel to the story. Next, look for the sticker icon. It's at the top right corner and tap on it. Search for the link sticker option. Once you find it, tap on it. Now, paste the link you want to share into the space provided. Tap Done to confirm. You can resize and move the link sticker around to make it look good on your story. Finally, share your story as you normally would, and your viewers can tap the link sticker to check out the linked content. And there you have it. While these workarounds aren't as seamless as directly adding links to Reels, they still allow you to guide your viewers to the content you want them to see. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks.